Global warming is dangerously close to spiraling out of control, a UN climate panel said in its landmark report Monday, warning the world is already certain to face further climatic disruptions for decades, if not centuries, to come. Humans are univocally to blame, the report from the scientists of the Intergovernmental Panel on Climatic Change said. Rapid action to cut greenhouse gas emissions could limit some impacts, but others are now locked in. The deadly heat waves, gargantuan hurricanes, and other weather extremes that are already happening will only become more severe, reports Reuters. Monday alone saw 5 lakh acres of forest burning in California, while in Venice tourists waded through ankle-deep water in St. Mark's Square. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres described the report as a code red for humanity. The alarm bells are deafening, he said in a statement. This report must sound a death knell for coal and fossil fuels before they destroy our planet. In 3 months, the UN COP26 climate conference in Glasgow, Scotland will try to wring much more ambitious climate action out of the nations of the world and the money to go with it. Drawing on more than 14,000 scientific studies, the IPCC report gives the most comprehensive and detailed picture yet of how climate change is altering the natural world and what could still be ahead. Unless immediate, rapid and large-scale action is taken to reduce emissions, the report says, the average global temperature is likely to reach or cross the 1.5 degrees Celsius warming threshold within 20 years. The report says emissions univocally caused by human activities have already pushed the average global temperature up 1.1 Celsius from its pre-industrial average and would have raised it 0.5 Celsius further without the tampering effect of pollution in the atmosphere. That means that even as societies move away from fossil fuels, temperatures will be pushed up again by the loss of the airborne pollutants that come with them and currently reflect away some of the sun's heat. A rise of 1.5 Celsius is generally seen as the most that humanity could cope with without suffering widespread economic and social upheaval. News Desk, Kamad English.